Roll the window down real quick.
Yeah. About that. They'd wait till you hear this thing kick them tips on and go over the top, dude. It's crazy. I thought it was gonna blow the sunroof out. God, now it's going to.
Oh, here it comes.
They're not even on. Wait till they're on. They're turbo tips, man.
It's about to go down.
Oh, it was letting everything soak on there. Okay, I see. Putting some more chemical on. Yeah, we're getting chemicaled up.
Is that it?
No, the top hadn't kicked on yet. I think it kicks on back there and then comes back forward. I don't think it kicks on up here. Yeah, it kicks on back there. God, I'm scared with that open.
You want me to close it?
No, let's be a man about it. Yeah, here they come. You hear them?
Yeah.
Listen. I know, they're turbo tips up there. Dude, did you see that shit?
Yeah.
I don't know how it don't take the paint off up there.
Maybe it does.
Awesome.
That's pretty.
Yeah, got that colored foam. 4 drops on the top. Smells good. Oh, here it comes again. It does it like 3 times. It does it like 3 times. I think I did see some paint go by. Uh-oh. The UV.
What?
Oh gosh, that shit's bright.
Yeah, UV like the sun.
You gonna see if you can feel it?
Yeah.
I'm sure you can. I can feel it in the
I was gonna
seat.
say I can feel it now.
God, it's spraying. It's spraying so hard it's spraying through the glass. I think it just does it 3 times. I hope. I think that's the Rain-X shit or whatever.
Water don't stick to it.
I was wrong.
Here they come.
I was wrong. Oh gosh, dude. I can't handle no more of that.
You're about to have to.
Dude, it is spraying me. For real. It's coming through the back. Yeah, it's wet right there.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, it's spraying me. Man, if nothing else on the truck's clean, the top is. God. Top's clean down to the metal. Yeah, it was spraying. I knew.
We
it
should have
was.
opened that up.
No, we shouldn't have. We wouldn't have no hair left. Even more than I already
Let's
done.
say we should have opened that glass up. Get an interior car wash.
Yeah.
That was something else, dude. I wouldn't come through here on that.
Yeah.
There went the paint.
Blowing everything out of the bed.
Yeah.
Well, that was intense.